The goals of this book. The main goal is to help listeners build a personal relationship with the earth, under the premise that those who love nature will walk more softly and work to heal her. For students who intend to raise children, own property, travel to distant places, take visits to wilderness areas, or be leaders when environmental problems arise, this book can lead to a deeper relationship with the earth. Whether the listeners are health pre-professionals who may eventually prescribe outdoor time for patients, or those seeking a nature-related occupation, this book can provide a source of therapy for earth and self. Natural history is included because it is the parent discipline of ecology. It draws us to nature as children, leads professionals to the study of ecology, and gives us joy. If we are to discover our truest eco-self, natural history can become a practice as well as a set of facts. It is available to anyone, even in urban settings. Joy is essential. Eco-psychologists have observed that in the magnitude of the environmental crisis, people withdraw with a sense of helplessness. The environmental movement has been so successful that it has invented a problem too large to solve in many people's mind. The response can be regression to what feels good, creating further epidemics such as shopping, gambling, substance abuse, and screen addictions. The answer is not to scold people for their addictions and lack of concern, as environmentalists sometimes do, but to reconnect humans with nature in an expression of love rather than guilt and fear. The key remedy is to have people engage in reciprocity, healing self by healing earth. Beyond these goals, this book is fully an ecology textbook, meeting the guidelines set forth in the four-dimensional ecology education framework, 4DEE, outlined by the Ecological Society of America. As such, it covers ecological theory as well as natural history and applications so that students can live what they learn. Understanding Nature suggests field activities at the start of chapters and lists thinking questions and further activities at the ends of chapters. Ecology's Magic Glasses. An understanding of ecology begins by realizing there are many ways to see nature. Chapter 2 lays out the history of ecological thought. It introduces traditional ecological knowledge, indigenous knowledge about nature, and the history of scientific ecological knowledge in the tradition of Western science. Even within scientific ecological knowledge, ecologists look at nature and see different elements, including populations, communities, ecosystems, and landscapes. Blink once and a mountainside is one or more populations, the members of one species living together in one place. Blink again, and the same mountainside becomes several species interacting to form an ecological community, an assemblage of species that occurs in one place.